Hello friends, today we shall discuss exercise 3.1. Question number 1. Write all the factors of the following numbers. The number is 24. A. You have to find all the factors of 24. Now, 24 we can write as starting from 1, that is 1 into 24 is equal to 24, right? 2 into 12 is equal to 24. 3 into 8, 3 8 is 24. Then 4 into 6 is equal to 24. 4 6 is 24. After the 5, there is we cannot find from 5 or 6. 6 into 4, 24. We are again repeating this number. That means the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Therefore, the factors Therefore, the factors of 24, the factors the factors of 24 of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24 and 24. This very easy. This is the way you have to find the factors. Now we'll do the factors of question number B, right? Now we'll do question number B. Now B is, the number is 15, right? We are doing question number B. You can write starting from 1 into 15 is equal to 15. There is no table of 15 with 2. Then 3 into 5, 3 into 5 is equal to 15. Then 4, no. Then again 5, 5 into 3 is 15, that is repeating. Therefore, the factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15, right? Therefore, the factors of 15, the factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15, right? Now we'll do the next question. It is question number C. Okay, I'll do question number C. Question number C. C is 21. That is, we can write 1 into 21 is equal to 21. We cannot find the table with 2. Then 3. 3 into 7 is equal to 21. Right? Then again 4, no, 5, no, 5, 6, no, 7. 7 into 3, 21. Again it is repeating. Therefore, we get the factors of 21 as 1, 3, 7 and 21. Therefore, the factors of 21, the factors of 21 are 1, 3, 7 and 21 and 21, right? Now we do question number D, that is 27. Now question number D. Question number D is question number D, that is the number is 27. 27, that is 1 into 27 is equal to 27. In table of 2 we cannot get 27, then we get 3 into 9. 3 9 is 27. Any other number? No. That means the factors of 27 are 1, 3, 9 and 27. Therefore, the factors of 27 are 1, 3, 9 and 27. Right? Now, we do the next problem, that is E, factors of 12. Right? I will do factors of 12. Now, factors of 12, that is E. E is 12. We are finding the factors of 12, that is 1 into 12 is equal to 12. 2 into 6 is equal to 12. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. Then we are repeating again, that is 4 into 3 is 12. Therefore, no need to do that again. Therefore, the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Therefore, the factors of 12 are, therefore, the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 and 12. Right? This is the solution of question number E. Now we will do the next, that is F, that is factors of 20. We will find the factors of 20, right? That is F. We are doing question number F. Now question number F. We have to find the value or factors of 20. We can write 1 into 20 is equal to 20. Right? With 2, that is 2 into 10 is also 20. This is 20, right? In table of 3 we will not get 20. Table of 4, that is 4 into 5 is equal to 20. Again we are repeating 5 into 4 20. That means here you will stop. And the factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Therefore, the factors of 20 are the factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20 and 20. Right? These are the factors of 20. right? Now we'll do the next question, that is question number G. We have to find the factors of 18. We have to find the factors of 18 and do question number G. G is factors of 18. We have to find the factors of 18. That means 1 into 18 is equal to 18, right? 2 into 9 is equal to 18, and 3 into 6 is equal to 18. We cannot get 8 in the table of 4, then 5, then 6. 6 is 18, it is repeating. Therefore, we will stop here and we will get the factors of 18 as 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Therefore, therefore, the factors of 18, the factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18, right? These are the factors of 18. Now the next question, that is question number H. We will find the factors of 23. We will find the factors of 23. That is H. Question number H. Number is 23. We can write 1 into 23. Since it is a prime number, it has only two factors, that is 1 and 23, because 23 is a prime number. Therefore, the factors of 23, therefore, the factors of 23 factors of 23 are 1 and 23. Okay, this is the solution of question number H. Now we'll do the next question, that is I. We have to find the factors of 36. We have to find the factors of 36. That is question number I. The number is 36. That means we can write 1 into 36 is equal to 36. 2 into 18. 18 to is also 36. 36 with 3. 3 into 3 12 is 36. 36. 4 9 is 36. 4 into 9. 4 into 9. 4 9 is 36. We cannot get in the table of 5. 6 will get in the table of 6, that is 6 into 6. 6 is a 36. 6 is a 36. 7, 8, 9, 10. No. Okay. These are the factors of 36. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. Right? Therefore, the factors the factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. These are the factors of 36. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.